Welcome back to We Dared Chemistry. In this lecture, we will spend our brain doing some exercise numerical. So join us whether you are a student or a curious mind. Exercise question, problem 2.11, A25 What bulb emits monochromatic yellow light of wavelength of 0.57 micrometers? Calculate the rate of emission of quanta per second. Solution, we have the following given value, power is equal to 25 watts per second. Wavelength of the wave is equal to 0.57 micrometer, so 0.57 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 meter. Energy is equal to equals power into time, which gives 25 joules. From Planck's theory, energy is equal to Planck's constant into frequency. Frequency can also be expressed as speed of light upon wavelength. Now substitute the values. Energy is equal to h into speed upon lambda. Speed of light is equal to 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. Energy is equal to 6.63 into 10 raised to the power minus 34 multiplied by 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 divided by 0.57 into 10 raised to the power minus 6. After calculation, energy is equal to 34.86 into 10 raised to the power minus 20 joules. From unitary method, 34.86 into 10 raised to the power minus 20 joules will give 1 photon. 1 joules of energy will give 1 by 34.86 into 10 raised to the power minus 20, number photons. 25 joules of energy will give 25 by 34.86 into 10 raised to the power minus 2, after calculation. 7.17 into 10 raised to the power 19s to the power of negative 1. Thank you for your attention. Keep studying with We Dared Chemistry.